I can hear them, but you can't see them. It's the call of the wild. Sounds like giant sea lions from across the bay. Oh, there they are there. It's the historic sea lion of Astoria mating call. You see the way the females pat their tails, their paddles, into the Columbia River. Across the bay is the great state of Washington. There, in the distance, is the historic Great Astoria Bridge. Currently, I am in Oregon, but that is Washington, just over there. Ah, how beautiful is this? Look there in the distance as the sun plays a dance on the bay of the rolling hills under a clouded sky. The contrast is nothing short of glorious. It makes you want to go swimming with the sea lions. Shh, we don't want them to hear us. Okay, I gotta go to work now.